Hi, I am Devesh. I am an engineer on the FilesGo team. Today we will show you how to give FilesGo access on your SD card so you can save more space. Let's tap on the Move Files to SD card, select some files and then tap Move to SD. Tap Move again. Let's tap Go to Settings to get started. You might see some text at the bottom saying you need to turn on Documents in Settings. In that case, go to your system settings. Tap Install Apps. Scroll through until you see the Documents app and press Enable. Once you do that, head back to the FilesGo and let's try again. This time, you should see a screen that shows your storage options. If you don't see SD card there, tap on the top right and select Show SD card or Show Internal Storage. Next, go up to the top left and choose SD card. Once you are there and you see your files, tap Select at the bottom. And that's it, you're done. With these permissions enabled, now you can move your files from internal storage to SD card and also rename or delete files on SD card. We hope you found this video helpful.